Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Snapchat application on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the Play Store. Go ahead and select that. In the search field at the bottom, you want to go and search for Snapchat. Go ahead and search for it. It should be a result. It should say Snapchat by Snap Inc. You can see it has over 1 billion downloads. Select install. And you can see it is now installed. You can go ahead and open it up, and that's all you had to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.